Ta-da! Oh, that's quick. It's done, I think. Good. Very good. Wanna try? Init pa man good. Gunitan man ang tiniduron. Lami kay siya. Bisag ay lamay on kay ako gagahimo. Bitaw lami gyapon siya eh. Hi guys, Nagmimi here. By the way, I will share it to you. Pretty much, if you're Filipino, you know already how to make a cassava, kakanin or suman. I don't know what's the name, because every place we have different names. In Bohol, where I grew up, we call that one Suman Bulanghoy. Okay. Right here I will gonna show. It's really not really hard. The ingredients is the grated cassava, the coconut milk, the brown sugar, and then I put young coconut in the middle as palaman. We call that one palaman. And then banana leaves, and I think that's pretty much it. So we'll start here. Okay, but a grated cassava, kinayod na kamuting kahoy in the Asian store, and I got frozen sliced coconut, and this leaves, banana leaves. What I'm gonna do is I defrost this because I put it in the freezer, so I defrost that one. And then what next is I will going to frozen sliced coconut. I will put it in here, and I'm going to put sugar, brown sugar or dark sugar, doesn't matter. Let it cool and drain, and then afterwards I will cut it. You know already the procedure pretty much. If you are a Filipino, you know the procedure. And this one, if it's soggy or lots of juice, I will gonna squeeze a little bit. If it's just right, I wanna bother to do that, but if it's, and I will squeeze if there is a lot of juice. And then I'm going to put coconut milk, 1 or 2, this kind of coconut milk, because it's like a cream. It's not really juicy, so this is what I'm using, or any kind of coconut milk will work. Coconut, and then I'm gonna use this dark brown sugar. Done. No, shredded young coconut. I put sugar until the makapuno is soft. Kanang makuyapan na ba? O sa Bisaya pa, makuyapan na siya. Di na siya matuskig. Already 9 in the evening. Then I'm gonna finish this, so this is good for tomorrow. I'm gonna cook it tonight and I'll leave it there. Ilikito na ako din. I put this in here, show it in a little bit. Mix it very good until it's kaya. That's all I got. Look, I'm gonna boil this. Put water. Boiling. Okie dokie. Now it's boiling. Luto na ba kani? Is it? Sige, pamisik ra ba dito sa kilid? Sana maluto na ni. Okay. Huwag adunay pagtilaw. We'll check if it's done or not. Ta-da! Oh, that's quick. It's done, I think. Turn the one off. Yes, that is done. But I'll make sure that it's all cooked, so I just cover it, and then later on I will drain the water in the sink. 10 o'clock in the evening. So let's just get done cooking this cassava. Tilawan by tilawan. Okay. Good. Very good. Wanna try? Init pa manggod. Gunitan man ang tiniduron. Lami kay siya. Bisag ay lamay on kay ako gagahimo. Bitaw lami gyapon siya eh. Hot. Okay, punit na mo. I'm gonna get this smaller one. So hot. Punit lang mo. Kung gusto mo mukaon sa akong himo nga sani bibingka kining naa suman nga cassava. I don't know, other people call them budbud, but in Bohol suman nga bulanghoy. So hope you enjoy my video, and next time I will going to upload interesting topic. Okay, bye bye.